Welcome. Today in front of me MEIZU M5S, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So first you should get the Ampere application from your App Store, and now just launch the application, and here you'll see the temperature of your battery. In my case that's 34 degrees. Also we got here the level of our battery, the health, and the Android version and model of our device, and more and other information. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.